In this video, we will introduce 7 convenient ways to assist you in effortlessly transferring photos from your iPhone to a computer. Way 1. How to transfer photos from iPhone to computer with Coolmuster iOS Assistant. 1. Download the right version of the app and launch it. When you see its primary interface, connect the iPhone to the PC with a USB cable. Click Trust when asked. Press Continue to proceed. 2. After the device is detected, you'll see all your iPhone data on the main interface, arranged in folders on the left panel. 3. Click on the Photos folder, preview the pictures and choose the ones to export to the computer. Once done, click the Export button to move the pictures to the PC. Way 2. How to send photos from iPhone to computer via iCloud. Step 1. Open Settings, Photos, iCloud Photos, and then enable this option. Step 2. Open a web browser and visit iCloud.com. Log in using your Apple ID and password. Step 3. On iCloud.com, click on Photos. Step 4. Select the photos you want to download, then click on the cloud icon with a downward arrow. Way 3. How to copy photos from iPhone to PC via Photos app. The built-in Photos application in the Windows operating system provides an easy option to transfer photos on Windows 10 11s. Step 1. Firstly, use a USB cable capable of file transfer to connect your iPhone to the PC. Step 2. Unlock and open your iPhone. If the device is locked, your computer won't be able to detect it. Step 3. On your PC, select the Start button, then choose Photos to open the Photos application. Step 4. Choose Import from a USB device, and follow the instructions. You can select the items you want to import and choose a save location. Wait for some time for detection and transfer to complete. Way 4. How to download pictures from iPhone to computer with iTunes. Step 1. Download and install the latest version of iTunes on your computer. Step 2. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to the computer, and trust the connection on your device. Then launch iTunes on your computer. Step 3. Click on the iPhone icon in the top left corner of iTunes. Step 4. In the left sidebar, click on Photos under your device's settings. Step 5. Select Sync Photos and then choose the album or folder from the pop-up menu. Step 6. Once you have selected the albums or folders for synchronization, click Apply to initiate the process. Way 5. How to export photos from iPhone to PC with File Explorer. Step 1. Connect the device to the PC using the original USB cable, then unlock the device by entering the password. Step 2. You'll be prompted to trust the computer. Click on the Trust or Allow option to share files between iPhone and computer. Step 3. Open File Explorer on the PC. You can find it on the taskbar in a folder-like icon, or you can search for it from the search bar on the left bottom section of the screen. Click on it to open it. Step 4. Find your iPhone from the Files Explorer window below this PC. Click on this PC to open a list of all connected devices. Your iPhone should be on the list. Click on the device to open it. Step 5. Click twice on Internal Storage and head to DSIM to find the pictures on the iPhone. Select one image at a time by pressing the Ctrl key and ticking the photos. Once done, right-click and choose Copy. Way 6. How to import photos from iPhone to PC using Windows AutoPlay. If you are using a computer with Windows 7 or an earlier version, you can use Windows AutoPlay to transfer your iPhone photos to the computer. Step 1. Use a USB cable to connect your iPhone to your Windows PC. Unlock your iPhone and tap Trust if prompted. Step 2. AutoPlay should open automatically. If not, open it manually. Step 3. Click on Import Pictures and Videos in AutoPlay. Step 4. Select the folder where you want to import photos or create a new one. Step 5. Click Import to start transferring photos from your iPhone to your PC. Step 6. Allow AutoPlay to complete the photo transfer process. Way 7. How to move pictures from iPhone to computer via email. Step 1. Open the Photos app and choose the photos you want to send to the PC. Next, hit the Share option. Step 2. Choose Gmail. Enter your email address, and wait for the photos to attach. Step 3. After the photos have been attached, press the Send button. Step 4. On your PC, open any browser and log into the email you sent. The files. Enter the email address and password and sign in. Step 5. Open the email to show the images and press the Download tab to download the photos to your PC.